We're hiring. Are you up for the challenge on working on industry-leading equipment in a world-class facility? As you can see above head, we have 8 10-ton overhead cranes. You're never stuck for a crane to lift your machine or your tank. Every bay you'll see as well, there is extraction nozzles, so you can locate your nozzle right over where you're welding all the time, so there's no fumes in this area. So you can see there's fans either end which create a nice flow of air inside the factory, good skylights and good lights, so there's nice bright clean working environment. Tanker bay here, so it's all check floored, so you're not working on an uneven surface, it's nice and level. So as you can see, all the material on these tankers is nice and clean. It's blue steel. All our steel is stored inside. You're working with clean material. It's cut on the laser. It's etched with the part number, with the sales number of the tanker. And before it's folded, it is put through a deburring machine, so there's no time wasted having to grind the edges to clean it. So you're always working with the best quality parts to fit to your machine. So every fabricator has their own welding bay, and also full access to 3D models and also 2D drawings for helping manufacture their machine. So as you can see in these two parts, the quality and precision within the cut through our tube laser reduces the amount of time you have to rework your parts, and things just fit together. So at SlurryKat, we reward hard work and commitment by offering a bonus scheme where you can earn up to £4,000 a year along with your competitive salary. If you'd like to work for part of our team with PPE provided and an early finish on Friday, please get in touch.